Hello and welcome back to video 7 for topic 2, computer organization, and this time I'm going to be outlining the use of a range of application software. Okay, and this is for the IB Diploma in Computer Science. As you can see, topic 2, part of the 4 core units. Here we go, we're halfway through operating systems and application software before we move on to binary representation and simple logic gates. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to identify and understand the role of various types of application software. We're going to understand how application software helps in saving different predefined tasks, and we're going to outline the difference between specialized and general purpose software. And we're also going to turn on the laser pointer. What is application software? Well, it's programs designed to help users perform a specific task. Apps on your mobile phone, apps on your computer, things that do specific tasks. From document creation to graphic design, application software is tailored to different users' needs. Okay, it includes such things as word processors, Microsoft Word, Google Docs, spreadsheet software, Excel, Google Sheets, database management software, things like Microsoft Access, web browsers such as Safari, Google Chrome, email software, Outlook, Gmail, computer-aided design, sort of 3D modeling, things like Tinkercad, things like Google SketchUp, and then graphic processing software, we could include things like Adobe Photoshop in here, Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW. Okay, so first of all, word processing. Here we go, very futuristic, but we've got a document on screen. It basically involves formatting text documents, creating, editing, and formatting text documents. It's used for writing reports, letters, resumes, essays. Features include editing, formatting, spell checking, and printing. Examples, yes, as we said before, Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Spreadsheets, as you can see here, great for graphing, charting, and working with data, organizing analysis and stored data in tables, as you can see. Used for financial calculations, data tracking, statistical analysis. Great for formulas, working out percentages, things like that. Charts, graphs, data sorting. And again, Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel I mentioned before. Database management systems, or DBMS, used to manage and manipulate structured data. These are used for organizing large data sets like customer information, patient records in a hospital, student records in a university or a school establishment. Features include data entry, querying, using something like MySQL, updating and reporting. Okay, Microsoft Access would be a good example of this. Then we've got web browsers. Okay, every computer should have one. Access and retrieve information from the World Wide Web. Browsing websites, viewing multimedia content, online shopping, all features that you would do within a web browser. Bookmarking, tab management, browser extensions, and examples would include Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, what's Microsoft's one at the moment, Microsoft Edge. Email software such as Microsoft Outlook and Gmail, Yahoo Mail. These are used to send and retrieve digital messages, communicate with individuals or groups, as you see here. Features inbox management, attachments, calendar integration. CAD, as we mentioned before, computer-aided design. Design and simulate products in a virtual environment, linking through to, as you can see down here, 3D modeling, 3D printing. Used for automotive design, architecture, engineering. Features 3D modeling, material specifications, dimensional analysis. Okay, good examples would include AutoCAD, SolidWorks, as I said before, if you're using it in school, Tinkercad, Google's SketchUp as well. Okay, and then finally, graphic processing software. I've got sort of a screen that looks a little bit like Photoshop. It could be Adobe Illustrator, yeah. It could be CorelDRAW. Okay, function, edit and manipulate digital images and graphics, generally 2D graphics, image editing, creating visual designs, digital art, graphic design, cropping, scaling, color correction, layering, ideal for sending work to be printed, be that to a normal home or office printer or been sent out for larger volume print works. Adobe Photoshop, as I said before, and CorelDRAW would be good examples. Obviously, we don't just have application software on a PC or a Mac. We get lots of apps on mobile phones, iPads, etc. Many devices come with pre-installed software, a digital camera or an email system on your mobile phone. Predefined tasks, capturing and storing images in digital format. Users can install more applications, of course, using things like the App Store. onto their device, like laptops, desktops, smartphones, depending on what they exactly want to do with their device. Obviously, things like Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, social media apps as well. In summary, there's always a range of application software available which allows users to perform diverse tasks, from basic document editing to advanced 3D design. These software tools are integral to both personal and professional computing, improving productivity and creativity. Okay, as always, we've got some questions ranging from 2, 4, and 6 marks. Question 1, define what application software is and give 2 examples. Okay. Question 2, describe the function of a spreadsheet and a database management system. And question 3, explain the difference between CAD software and graphic processing software. Okay, if you don't want to see the answers just yet, if you want to pause the video, have a little go yourself and then check with mine, it's up to you. Otherwise, here we go. Okay, question 1 for 2 marks. Application software refers to programs designed to perform specific tasks for users, such as word processors and spreadsheets. Question 2, a spreadsheet organizes data into rows and columns, allowing for calculations and graph generation, whereas a database management system, it organizes data, but this is for large format data sets, okay, providing tools to store, retrieve, and update information efficiently. And then finally, CAD software is used for creating detailed designs, typically in engineering and architecture, with an emphasis on precision and structural analysis, ideal for 3D modeling and 3D printing, whereas graphic process software is really for 2D design. In contrast, it is focused on editing and manipulating digital images, used primarily in art and design fields. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you very, very much indeed for watching. Please join me next time for part 8 in this particular topic, and I will see you next time. Bye for now. Please continue to ask questions, leave your comments, hit notifications, and please subscribe. And finally, if you wish to buy me a coffee, I'd be truly grateful. Please visit buymeacoffee.com/learning zone. Thank you very much indeed. See you next time. Bye for now.